Good day to Dr. Maria. We are from Group 3 and in this video, 3 of us presents our reflections on a selected topic. So the topic that we choose is Product Development and Management, which is from syllabus topic 7. I'm Zaiti and I would like to start the presentation with things that we have learned about the topic regarding product development and management. The first thing we have learned is innovations and value. We have learned that the reason why companies create new products and services because in a dynamic market, companies need to constantly introduce new products to catch up with the customers' needs and wants. The company as well as customers will gain value from the new market offerings. Like company will improve sales, customer relationships, and boost market positions. For customers, the innovation can solve their problems, get higher quality and a better value products or higher standard of living. Through this topic, we also learn that the diffusions of the innovations that follows a bell-shaped curve where there are a few stages and every stage represents different groups of consumers according to how fast we buy the newly introduced products. For example, I'm buying a brand new innovative smartwatch and follow the latest trends. Then I'm considered as innovator in the diffusions of the innovation process. The last thing we learned will be presented by Adelina.
My name is Adina. The third thing we have learned through this topic is the product development process and product life cycle. From the idea generation to evaluation of results, there are 6 steps that need to be followed in order to develop a new product. Innovation is crucially important to a forward-thinking company. So, each step needs to be carefully taken, like the first idea generation, which can come from different sources of new product ideas. The example of Sarani shows how it developed the innovative whole grain white bread all the way through the 6 steps in the product development process. While we also learn the product life cycle, which is the 4 stages that products move through from introduction to growth and maturity and lastly decline. It is an important tool when we want to plan for our marketing strategy. But we also understand that not every product follows the same life cycle, and sometimes it is difficult to identify accurately where the product is on the product life cycle.
I'm Lisa Ching. I will move on to 2 things that we still have questions about the product development and management topic. Firstly, we are still uncertain about the third step, which is the product development stage that consists of prototype, alpha testing, and beta testing. After discussing with members, we are not sure about the definition, but we realized the sequence of the product development is from a prototype to alpha and lastly beta testing in this step. So perhaps we need more comparison and some related examples to differentiate and understand it better. Or maybe some real-world examples of consequences that company that did not go through the alpha and beta testing and the company that did, since the testing process is also costly for the company. So for the second question is related to the diffusion of innovation theory. Based on our understanding, different products diffuse at different rates and there are some factors that affect the diffusion speed for a new product, like the 5 stated risk factors, which are compatibility, observability, complexity, and triability, as well as the relative advantage. So we think that we need further explanation about how this theory will influence the new innovation to be adopted by society when there are other factors like cultural, economy, and technology. And is there any other theories that related to innovations too? So that's the questions we have for the topic. I will pass to Adelina for her last part presentation.
I will continue to present the last part, which is the thing we have learned from the group members. We all agree that we have gained the benefit of communication skills like listening, providing support, and ideas. We learn better by discussing and questioning each other's opinions and working in a group let us experience new perspectives and thinking styles. All of this provides us with an opportunity to improve our communication skills. This definitely will help us in the following semesters and future development. That's all from our group. Thank you.